Hi, everybody. It's Mike Morley here in the relocation department. I wanted to take the time today to reach out to you to show you a quick way that you can identify veterans that live in New Jersey so that you can promote the Realogy Military Rewards Program and help grow your business really easily. What we're going to start at is a tax site. This tax site is called njactb.org. So it's njactb.org. And if you go to their record search, it consolidates all of the tax records for the states of property tax records. It's a simple search, and this is how you can identify if a property is owned by a veteran. So I'm going to start out with the county of Passaic because that's where I live, just for our example here. And I'm going to go to the township of Wayne. Now, to search for a tax exemption, you have to go to the advanced search. It's not that hard. You just click on advanced search, and that opens up more options at the bottom of the page. If you look under the class section and scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's other exemptions. So we want to click on that and then go back up, and we're going to submit that search. And a whole bunch of properties pop up. Now you'll notice some of these are locally owned and state-owned properties. That's why they're on the exemption list. But if you scroll down, and this is true for all the searches that I've run throughout the state of New Jersey, you'll identify privately owned properties. Click on the privately owned properties, and you'll see in the description underneath their tax records that those individuals you'll be able to identify as a veteran within the state. That means that they are receiving the tax benefit. Now, how does that benefit you, and how will that help you grow your business? Well, to promote the RMR program, or the Military Rewards Program, veterans and their families are eligible for a benefit if they purchase a property through us or sell their property through us. Now you can go to the Everything site from there, and on the Everything site is where I have that information for you about the program. So simply go to the Everything site under Referral Services tab and scroll down a little bit, and you will see that's where the Realogy Military Reward Program materials are. There's a customizable flyer that you can print up there. You just click on that flyer. Now that flyer will open in Microsoft PowerPoint, but it will still be editable for you. So we'll take a look at how you can edit that flyer in 1 second. Once it pulls up on the screen, we will take a look and see that we have the flyer here, and it's really simple to edit. Just go on top of the text where your information will be added, and you can type it just like you would on any simple Word document. Add your information there. There's also leaves you space to add your photo. The easiest way to add your photo is just go to the Insert button, click Pictures, and then you're going to find where you have your professional photographer picture of yourself there, and you're going to insert that there. You might have to adjust it to make it a little bit smaller and drag it over here, but right from there you can print these flyers up. What a simple way to promote the program. Now, what do you do with these flyers? There's a few different suggestions that I have that you can do with these flyers. So first thing that I would say to do with these flyers is go back to that tax search, and when you're on floor time, whenever you have free time, do searches for properties in your area that have veterans. Tri-fold that flyer, fold it in threes, address it, and send it out stamped to that veteran. Let them know that they are eligible for the program. And again, that's not only the veteran that is eligible for the program, but it's their family members as well. So what a great way to help grow your business through the use of this program. The other thing that agents have been doing, and I think this is a great idea, is printing up those flyers. They've been printing up a whole bunch at a time and stopping at their local military organizations, VFWs, for instance. And they've been going to the VFWs and handing these flyers out so that they can be handed out at the meetings, or they can be held there just in case there's anybody that needs a real estate need. They know that they can reach out to you to receive that benefit. So these are two great ways to draw business your way that you would not have otherwise had if we didn't have this program to promote. If you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My number is 973-906-8591, or you can email michael.morley@cbmoves.com. Thank you very much for your time today, and good luck prospecting.